voice of the wind brings stories so old and so true. Mountains standing tall, painted in hues so bright. Nature's symphony plays from dawn all the way till night. Oh, 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 the song of the rivers as they flow through valleys deep where wildflowers grow. Oh, the call of the eagle soaring so high in the endless blue of the open sky. Oh, 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 in the silence of the meadow where the grasses gently sway, creatures big and small find a place to stay. Stars above like diamonds guiding through the night. Nature's magic glows in the soft moonlight. Oh, the rustle of leaves in the gentle breeze, whispering secrets through all the ancient trees. Oh, the roar of the ocean, always wild and free, where the waves embrace the shore so endlessly, like always. Oh yeah. Every season paints a picture, a canvas in its own. Spring's tender blooms and summer's warmth is shown. Autumn's fiery palette, a sight to behold. Winter's hush, wrapped in blankets of cold.